All right, today on the channel, I'm at 108 Mar A Lago Boulevard. Let's take a look. Well, before we get started on our tour of 108 Mar A Lago, first, we survived the blizzard of 2025, and it is a beautiful day here in Florida. It's just spectacular. But let me tell you a few things about this home and what I feel make it so special. So first, it's on the south side of 30A, near the Seagrove area, right next to Eastern Lake. And I actually, when Eric and I first moved here, we lived right next to Eastern Lake, and it is just a beautiful area. Now, some facts about this home. It's 3 stories, 3 bedroom, 3.5 bath. There's actually 4 outdoor porches, a community pool. And this home, what makes it so cool is that it was completely remodeled in the inside, from new flooring, fixtures, appliances. They even scraped the 90s popcorn ceilings to make them all smooth. It's got a fireplace. And one of the unique features about this property is that in this community, it has the larger kitchen plan. Now, they also completely remodeled the kitchen. It wasn't just a cosmetic update. New cabinets, countertops, appliances. It truly is amazing. So what I want you to do is just sit back and relax as we tour this home. And then at the very end, we're gonna drive to the closest public beach access. So stay tuned. All right, there you go, 108 Mar A Lago Boulevard. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Like I said, it is a very, very cool house. If you have any questions or need more info, do not hesitate to reach out. But until then, be blessed and have an amazing day. See ya.